Hey everyone! In this video, we'll quickly break down the key differences between MJS, also known as ECMAScript Modules, and CJS, which stands for CommonJS, two popular JavaScript module systems. CommonJS has been the standard for Node.js for a long time. It uses require to import modules and module.exports to export them. It works synchronously, meaning when you require a module, it loads the whole module immediately. This synchronous loading fits well in server environments like Node.js, where files are local. However, CJS can get tricky when used on the browser or when you want to take advantage of modern JavaScript features. On the other hand, ECMAScript Modules, MJS, or just ES modules, are the official JavaScript standard introduced in ES6. They use import and export syntax, which is more declarative and easier to statically analyze. This means tools like bundlers and IDEs can optimize your code better. ES modules load asynchronously by default, which is great for the web since it allows non-blocking module loading. CommonJS is widely supported in Node.js, but not natively in browsers. Meanwhile, ES modules work in both modern browsers and Node.js from version 12+, but older Node projects might still use CommonJS. You can mix both in your project, but with some caveats, like using dynamic import to load ES modules from CJS. If you're building a Node.js app and need quick compatibility, CommonJS is still a solid choice. But for modern apps, especially those targeting the web or using newer Node.js versions, ES modules are the way to go. They promote cleaner syntax, better tooling, and more efficient loading. To wrap up, CommonJS, CJS, uses require synchronous loading, great for Node.js legacy apps. ECMAScript Modules, MJS, uses import-export, asynchronous loading, native in browsers and modern Node.js, better for future proofing.